Hey, everybody, welcome back once again to Rey Starz Reactions. I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who have been sending me new title tracks and new artists that I've not been privy to. So I really appreciate it. And today we are going to react to a duet by I think it's a new artist by the name of Dena Baby and D. Perfect, and Dena Baby. Double D in action, yeah. So the title of the song is Anko, which means again. And this is like the first time I'm going to listen to this one. All right. Let's see what they have to offer.
Dena Babe, be perfect. Encore, nous ne jamais couler encore. Baby, soit répété encore. Nous mais soit pas qu'aimer encore.
Encore, ma ligne n'a replacé encore. M'pas contre si la guéri encore. Oh, il faut ça, c'est toi, pas toi.
Relation nous bâtit nos mensonges. Des faits d'autres vies attendent un changement.
Oh, relation nous bâtit notre prix. T'es fait toute vie, attends, y'a un changement tout.
Moi ak besti nous connaît. Tout m'a dit pas fond. Tout m'a dit pas fond.
Moi, y'a que ça, mimi, yo connaît. Nous connaît.
Yo mensonge qui dirait parler de vérité. Insensé, insensible, méchant, méchant, méchant. On s'en commence nous-mêmes. Oh, insensé, insensible, méchant, méchant, méchant. On s'en commence nous-mêmes.
Ça fait longtemps, qu'un contrôle lourd. Ça fait longtemps, n'a pas sous. La bosse est bien joué. Pour te c'est nous capturer.
Ça fait longtemps, c'est nous qu'a joué. Longtemps, je clappe pas dans mes roues. Le boss est bien joué. Pour ton plein échec et mat. Moi, ak besti nous connaît. Nous connaît. Tout m'a dit pas fond. Tout m'a dit pas fond.
Moi, y'a que ça, mimi, yo connaît. Nous connaît.
Yo mensonge qui dirait parler de vérité. Insensé, insensible, méchant, méchant, méchant. On s'en commence nous-mêmes. Oh, insensé, insensible, méchant, méchant, méchant. On s'en commence nous-mêmes. Oh.
Wow. I love these tracks. Like usually I do not pause the music because this is so good, right? This is really, really good. And Be Perfect and Dena Baby. I think they really work well together, right? They really complement each other, like great voice. And my goodness, I think we have a slew of talent out of the Caribbean, right? So this one is out of Haiti. And D Perfect, he has a great voice. I'm really digging his voice as well. Really, really good. And this track, I think, is all about Dena Baby. And this woman, this lady is shining, right? This is really beautiful. And one thing I have to say that I just say that we have a slew of ladies, great female talents out of Haiti. And I hope that the fans are not putting all these ladies up against each other, right? Because they have their own talents. So I have just been introduced to Beijing. We have Dena Baby and Michelle. So they're great singers, and let's leave it at that, right? Let's just support all of them. Great track. I'm really digging this. And this is also like a little Guyad music, if you know what I mean, right? So, so this song, imagine like you're in the bar, right? You're at the party and you with your partner. This is a nice little in the old days, I guess people used to call it bolero, okay, but nowadays we call it Guyad music. It's really good. There's a little kind of like the little Kompa Guyad is there, so I love it. So and this lady Dena Babe, she's really shining. Okay, so it's really really nice. She shines next to the perfect, great song, perfect song. Let's get back into it. Wow, wow, wow. This is very nice. This is very nice. Like I said, Dena Babe, he shines, right? She shines right next to the perfect. This is a great tune, great track. And the only thing I know about Dena Babe is they out of Biggie Records, and I think she is from Puerto Rico. And I heard there's a lot of artists from Puerto Rico. Yeah, I really appreciate the recommendations. So please keep on coming, and please comment below. Tell me what you know about Dena Babe, D Perfect, great duet, and I'll see you on the next one. And as always, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Rey Starz saying, peace out.